Gay-Lussac's law states that the pressure of a given mass of gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature when the volume is held constant. This is the formula of Gay-Lussac's law. And this is the other formula of Gay-Lussac's law if the other one is missing. And now, let's try to solve this. This is the given of the problem. P1 is equal to 760 mmHg and T1 is equal to 25 Celsius plus 273.15 K is equal to 298.15 K. And P2 is missing. And T2 is equal to 100 Celsius plus 273.15 K is equal to 378.15 K. And this is the formula. Here is the solving. P2 is equal to 760 mmHg or P1 times 373.15 Kelvin divided by 298.15 Kelvin. And P2 is equal to 283,594 divided by 298.15. P2 is equal to 951.18 mmHg. Ika-cancel out din pala natin ang magkaparehong unit.